Going?
Timo's house.
Oh yeah? Where's that one?
House.
Papa Dale's house.
Papa Dale's house.
Is he? Where else is he gonna go?
Car. It's a car.
Where's the orange car going?
Blue one.
Where's the blue one going? Can you bring Mama some French fries? Yeah. Can you go get Mama some French fries at the store?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's the red one gonna go?
Yes.
Where's the red one gonna go?
Red one.
Where's the red truck gonna go?
Red one.
Where's he going?
Store.
The store? What's he gonna get?
Meow. Meow.
Yum. Where's the dinosaur going? Where's the dinosaur gonna go?
Motorcycle.
Oh, where's the blue motorcycle gonna go?
Yellow go.
There. Where's he gonna go? Is he going somewhere? Where you going, yellow motorcycle?
Meow.
Is he going to a house? Whose house is he going to?
It Carrie's house.
In Carrie's house. What's he gonna do over there?
Timo's house.
Where's he gonna see Aunt Carrie's house?
Carrie's house.
Is it Patrick? And who else?
Monday.
May. Who else? Patrick and May and
And Molly.
Mallory.